Bitcoin, next big major push above 100,000. As you can see, Bitcoin is starting to stall out a little bit. So we're going to go over what needs to happen for Bitcoin to have that major push up into like the 110s, the 115s, and also two support levels we can identify that if both of those break, then Bitcoin actually might want to go down to 80,000, which could be a big buying area as well. So we're going to go over Bitcoin analyst. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Let me know what other cryptos y'all want me to go over so I can probably post like 2 more videos later today. So let me know that in the comment section down below and smash the like button. Let's get the video over 30, 50 likes. Y'all know the drill. So BTC USD is the first one from your boy Will Knowledge. Now, first off, we did buy some more Bitcoin at 68,000 and we took a little profit off on the 13th, right around 91,000 for about 35% gain. And we still have 75% of the shares that we bought at 68,000 that is still working. Okay. So now we're up close to 40 something, 5%, something like that. But I'm actually looking for a next new buy on Bitcoin. Now, the first levels we have to identify is resistance is 101,500. We have to break that level to really show signs that Bitcoin is ready to push back up, which means, so you see how it tested right here and it fell back down? You want price to actually break this area and then leave it, okay? You don't want price to do this or leave it and then come back down to it. If it keeps testing it, then Bitcoin's not ready. This will also help you identify when the altcoins are going to start booming as well, because if Bitcoin starts breaking this resistance level and it starts booming up, so are your other altcoins, XRP, Doge, Cardano, and so forth like that. So this is a major resistance level you want to watch out for, 105. I mean, 101,500. Boom, boom. 2 support levels we need to be watching out for and we need to identify. The first one is 97,800. That is your first support level. And then your secondary support level is a little further away from price. It's about 92,000. I'll probably round it out to about 92,500. These are your major 2 support levels, okay? So just in case the first one breaks at 97,800, that's okay. But if the secondary one breaks, that's like our last defense, then that's going to be a little bad for Bitcoin and Bitcoin might want to retrace. But I also see that as a good sign, just in case it breaks this one and it breaks this one. That's showing Bitcoin wants to have a higher retracement, because remember, Bitcoin is very vertical and it did an amazing move from the 50s to 60s all the way up to 100,000. So this was a profit. That's why we took some profit off in this range, and we still have 75% left of the ones we bought down here at 68,000. So if it does boom up, we're still making profits. But just in case it does pull down and it breaks both of these support levels, that would be like our key sign. Then I believe Bitcoin is going down to the 80,000, which will actually lead to a bigger buy. So say you want to have more Bitcoin, you actually kind of want it to go down so you can get at cheaper pricing than it just going up, 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 and up. You kind of want price to balance out because that will produce a stronger run. Just like how it did here, how it ran, right? Price balanced out for a good 6 months or so, and then it had that secondary run, which is why we were buying in here. That's what you kind of want. You want price to kind of balance out so it can continue those strong movements, because the more it goes up with no real pull down, let me show you. The last run we had, when it ran from like 10,000 all the way to 60,000, we didn't really have any bigger pull downs, right? We had like maybe a 2-week pull down, it continued, 2-week pull down, it continued. But then the bigger pull down came because price needed to balance out. This run is a little bit nicer, right? It pulled up, it stalled out for some months. Pulled up, stalled out for like December to about February, stalled out about 2 months. Pulled up, this one stalled out for about 6 months, and we're still pulling up. So it's just a different type of run than the previous run was. We're balancing out a lot. That's why I think we should have some more balance in here, which would be lead to some bigger buys. But just in case we break 101,500, I think that might be another buy I'm willing to do on Bitcoin, to go up to the 110s, the 115s, and also the altcoins will kind of push off that as well. So these are like the major areas I'm looking out for, and the key signature on the upside is 101,500. I think that's what will produce our next major leg for Bitcoin to really pass this $100,000 mark. It's at 100,000 right now, and really start getting some room. Something like this is what you want to see from this. Once this breaks up that 100,000, that would produce a lot of strength. Altcoins will go up, Coinbase go up, MSCR will go up, and the whole crypto side will pretty much start booming. So watch out for these major levels. I'll update y'all as I see fit. Make sure y'all join the team. You get access to the crypto buys and stock buys and the private trade live streams. We do everything live. Lifetime membership comes with personal training and the academy, so make sure you join first in that description. And always remember, no takeaway to buy or sell anything, just for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.